I didn't know I had hit the button. Still running. Like I said, I drove away from the spot. Still running. I do not like that shit there. Damn. Now we're gonna keep these too. I don't like the new ones that they make. I like how my shit all original. Y'all throw me some recommendations or something in the comment section. Who looking to make some money with some body work for this project? Where you at, Sprayway? That work, Sprayway. I know you doing them sunroofs too. Hit me up, Sprayway. I'm out.